Hello and welcome to today's Wealth Insight at SSG Wealth. So, today we are going to understand why F&O trading is a big epidemic that is happening today and how people are losing a lot of money, especially retail investors, and why avoiding F&O trading is the best way to create generational wealth for yourself and your family. Before starting the video, do subscribe to SSG Wealth for daily wealth insights. So let's start with understanding the whole concept of F&O trading and why it is such a lethal thing for your portfolio. So everywhere you look on social media today, someone is selling you a dream that you cannot, uh, you know, achieve. So basically, they are giving you advice of quitting your job and becoming a millionaire just by trading futures and options or F&O on your phone. But today I'm going to show you the dark reality that these influencers are hiding from you. So recent official market report data from SEBI showed that a staggering 91% of retail F&O traders actually lose money. In fact, regular people or retail investors lost over 1 lakh crore rupees in the derivatives market last year. So today we are going to look at exactly why the system is rigged against you and how successful people are actually building wealth and avoiding F&O trading. So let's understand why uh, there are so many people who are looking to trade in F&O and why they are losing so much money. 9 out of 10 people are looking to trade in F&O because it promises quick returns, right? And in the stock market, for you to make profit in F&O, someone else has to take a loss. And you are not trading against other beginners, you are trading against massive financial institutions, foreign investors, and proprietary trading desks. And these are massive companies. They use highly advanced computer algorithms to execute trades in a very complex manner. Okay, so as you can see over here, you are playing a rigged game, which is a completely kind of manipulated game. And because F&O is a zero sum practice, which means that to make profit in F&O, another trader needs to take a loss. And you are not trading against other beginners or casual retail investors, you are playing against highly sophisticated systems. So your actual opponents in the market are basically massive financial institutions, foreign investors, and prop desk and supercomputer executing, uh, you know, thousands of orders in 1 millisecond. Whereas this is a retail investor who is using a basic mobile application to trade. They are getting at least 2 to 3 minutes delayed data on their charts, which means that their decisions are already, biased and they are getting delayed quotes for the stocks, right? And they are also having a human error possibility, which is a huge problem in the F&O trading market. Okay, so the entire idea of F&O trading is death by thousand cuts, right? Even if you manage to make one lucky winning trade, you are still bleeding money in every next trade that you are going to take. So this is not like a compounding game where you can invest money in a mutual fund or a PMS or an AIF for 5 years, 10 years. Every day you have to battle in the trading game. So every time you click buy or sell, you are paying brokerage fees, exchange fees, and heavy government taxes. Over 3 year period, individual traders paid roughly 50,000 crore rupees just in transaction cost. So many people actually make small trading profit but end up in red, like this huge amount of loss in a single trade, and that wipes out their entire uh, 2 weeks or maybe months of trading profits, if there are any profits at all, right? And also they end up losing a lot of money simply because of these hidden fees that completely wipes out their earnings as well. So you are basically paying the broker for the privilege of losing your own hard earned money, right? So you can see that you are paying for the privilege of losing money. Retail investors paid 50,000 crores plus in the last 3 years just for transaction cost, and that is something which is eating away your profits slowly. So now let's understand what the actual investors do who have made or who create huge wealth in the financial market. So now we have understood that F&O trading is a trap. Then what do successful business owners, high earning professionals and actual wealth generators in the financial markets do? They focus entirely on real portfolio diversification. Once your savings crosses above a certain threshold, let's say 5 lakh, 10 lakh, you should start investing in mutual funds. Once your saving crosses above 50 lakhs, you don't need to take massive casino style risk. Instead, the wealthy people use portfolio management services or PMS, where experts build a custom, transparent portfolio of direct stocks for them. Or if you cross 1 crore net worth in investable capital, you can use alternate investment fund or AIFs, which allow you to invest in private companies and assets that do not jump up and down on a daily market news, which are privately and professionally managed. So this is how the professionals are able to compound their wealth and create generational wealth for themselves. This is what I call as the institutional grade wealth management. Through PMS and AIF, experts build customized, fully transparent portfolio of direct equities and let the professionals do the heavy lifting so that you will eliminate the daily guessing and gambling in F&O trading. And this is where you will get true diversification and you will move away from the noise. Because if you start investing in AIF, PMS, or even mutual fund, this is how the wealthy invest in private companies. They invest in a structured, isolated way so that the daily volatility of the market doesn't affect their portfolio. So, now what you need to do is you need to graduate from retail gambling to wealth creation. What is retail gambling? F&O trading, competing with advanced algorithms and losing money daily, high daily taxes and fees, basically working hard to pay the broker and the government, right? And casino style risk taking, which is like zero or nothing. And most of the times, as we saw over here, it is zero. But if you move to wealth creation phase, here I have written 50 plus lakhs for HNIs, but even if you're watching with a 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs portfolio, you can start with long-term mutual funds investing. If you have more than 50 lakhs, you can start with PMS, 1 crore plus, you can start with AIF. These are managed by professional experts. So let the professionals manage your portfolio, just like how you don't take your own medicine or you don't do your own surgery when you are ill. Similarly, you have to trust a professional in your investing as well. You should not do it DIY because as per study, 87% of investors who are DIY investors, which is do it yourself investors who do their own research and invest, they lose 3 to 4% every single year because of lack of proper allocation to the proper investment vehicles. Okay. So this is why you need to focus on true diversification and building a financial fortress. So, the final message today is stop gambling and start building wealth. F&O trading is a very expensive hobby. It is not an investment strategy. Protect your hard earned capital and transition to proper institutional grade diversification. If you are an HNI, an NRI, or an ultra HNI, a business owner, or a high earning professional, with minimum 25 lakh rupees capital, then you can book a free one-on-one portfolio review with SSG Wealth team today. We will help you to analyze your portfolio and find gaps in your current portfolio based on your life goals. And we act as your family's wealth partner. That is our tagline. And we are a one-stop solution for all the financial needs that you and your family will require. And our aim is to help our clients to not only create but sustain and grow and pass on generational wealth one generation to another. So this is what SSG Wealth stands for. So if you want to get a free portfolio review with us, if you have a portfolio of about 25 lakhs and beyond, then you can just click in the description box below and book your free portfolio session today itself. And also, if you like the information in this video, do give it a thumbs up, do like it, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, because we keep on bringing such wealth insights on a daily basis. And also share this in your friends group and family group for somebody who is trading in F&O and losing money. So thank you so much for your time. Book your free session, free portfolio review, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you.